Hi kids, I'm your English teacher once again with you with an interesting story. So let's have an introduction. This is the story about Akbar and Birbal. Akbar was a Mughal emperor and Birbal was one of his intelligent minister. Akbar was known for his just rule or fair decisions, and for taking the fair decisions he always used to take advice of Birbal. Birbal was very intelligent, so he was known for his intelligence. Akbar always used to put his intelligence for the test. So story which we are going to do today, it is about such an incident where Akbar is trying to check his intelligence. So let's have a gist of the story. The name of the story is The Inauspicious Justice. Let's begin the story. One morning, Emperor Akbar was looking out of his window and he saw a hawker was pushing his loaded cart. And when hawker saw Emperor, he bowed his head before Emperor Akbar. But Emperor Akbar did not notice him, and he, without paying any attention, he moved to take a bath. After completing his bath, Akbar tripped and fell down, and he hurt his ankle and he was in a great pain. Now he had to take rest and he had to miss an important meeting with his courtiers. Now Akbar decided that he would conduct all his affairs, he would do all his work from home only, and he also decided that I would take the company of his trusted courtier Birbal. So, but unfortunately, Birbal was on day off on that day, so he could not be contacted. He was not available. Now, Akbar was feeling very dejected, so he decided to have a drink. However, when he started to take a sip of that drink, unfortunately, a fly fell into his juice and Akbar remained thirsty. After some time, he got the news that his wife's brother had been hurt in an accident and his wife has to rush to see him. Now, as the day progressed, Akbar was feeling very lonely and he thought that today everything is going wrong. Nothing seems to be right today. Now, in the evening, the things came to his head. The situation was becoming very bad when he thinks that he quarreled with his wife, he threw tantrum on his helpers. So he was feeling very tired and feeling very upset. So he went to his bed to take a rest. And while taking the rest, he was thinking that why all these incidents are happening today? Why these things are happening to me today? Something unfortunate things are happening today only. He was thinking that why I had such a bad day today. So suddenly something came to his mind that he has seen Hawker's face in the morning. Soon he convinced himself that all that troubles that are happening today, all that because of the inauspicious face of that hawker that I have seen in the morning. So next day he called a meeting and ordered his ministers to search that hawker and sentence him to the death. When Akbar's minister found the hawker, they took him to the gallows. And after that, hawker he got very surprised and shocked at being sent to the gallows. So there he just begged to them, before being hanged, I want to meet Birbal. So on the request of hawker, Birbal came to meet him. And after some days, when the day of hanging arrived, on that day, the executioner, he asked the hawker for his last wish. So the hawker, he said that in my wish, I want to make a proclamation to the people of the city. And in that proclamation, I want to tell the people of the city, I want to warn the people of the city that do not see the face of emperor early in the morning, else they would also be hanged like me. On hearing his unique request, the executioner got very surprised. So he went to the Emperor Akbar and informed him regarding his proclamation. So the Emperor Akbar, he asked his minister to call the hawker here. So when the hawker came there, he gave the hawker a bag of gold coin and set him free. Now the other courtiers, they got surprised, and the Emperor Akbar, he had realized that this proclamation could only be the thought of Birbal. So he called the Birbal and thanked him for saving the innocent person, and he also thanked him for opening his eyes to the injustice of his order. So the students, this was the story, and from this story we have learned that we should not be superstitious. We should not hold anyone responsible for our misfortunes, as the Emperor Akbar held the hawker responsible for all the mishappenings. So that's all we have read in the story. Now we will read the chapter, and all of you just follow the pronunciation of the words and also follow where I am taking the pause. Let's begin the reading. Chapter 2, The Inauspicious Justice. Akbar, the Mughal ruler, was well known for his just rule. But sometimes he made mistakes, and that is when his witty and intelligent minister Birbal would step in. Birbal was one of the 9 gems of Akbar's court, and though Akbar valued Birbal's advice, he would often put his intelligence to test. There are many such incidents. Given below is an abstract from one such incident. Now from here the story begins. Let's read. One morning, when Emperor Akbar was looking out of his window, he saw a hawker pushing his loaded cart. The hawker, on noticing the emperor, quickly bowed his head and then went on his way. Akbar did not pay any attention to him and proceeded for his daily bath. On completing his bath, he unfortunately tripped and fell down. He was in a great pain with a swollen ankle and had to be held back to rest. He had to miss an important meeting with his courtiers. He decided to conduct his affairs from home and enjoy company of his trusted courtier Birbal. However, unfortunately, Birbal had also decided to take that day off, and hence he could not be contacted. Feeling dejected, Akbar asked for something to drink. However, before he could even take a sip, a fly fell into his juice. Thus, Akbar remained thirsty. Sometime later, Emperor Akbar got the news that his wife's brother had been hurt in an accident and that she had rushed to see him. As the day progressed, he felt quite lonely and nothing seemed to work right. Things came to a head in the evening when he quarreled with his wife and threw a tantrum at all his helpers. Tired and upset, he went to bed and wondered why he had such a bad day. That's when he suddenly remembered seeing the hawker. He was soon convinced that the inauspicious face of the hawker had been the cause of all his trouble. The next day, he called for a meeting. He ordered his men to search for the hawker and sentence him to death. The poor hawker, surprised and shocked at being sent to the gallows, begged for a meeting with Birbal before being hanged. Birbal came to meet him. Soon, the day of his hanging arrived, and the executioner asked him his last wish. The hawker said that he wished to make a proclamation to the people of the city. He wished to warn them not to see the emperor's face early in the morning, or else they would be sentenced to the gallows just like him. The executioner was surprised at his unique request and informed Emperor Akbar about the hawker's proclamation. Akbar immediately sent for the hawker. The courtiers were surprised to see him free the hawker and gave him a bag of gold coins. Akbar had realized that this proclamation could only have been thought out by Birbal. He immediately thanked him for preventing an innocent person's hanging and also opening his eyes to the injustice of his order. So students, that was the reading of the story. Hope you all liked the story. Now you all will read the story with proper pronunciation and with proper pause. Thank you.